It is so fulfilling. This is an awesome program, and being a counselor is an awesome job. From the moment I applied to Rollins, I felt like they were invested in me and they legitimately cared and wanted me to succeed.
When I enrolled in the program, I was 38, so it took me a while, post-graduation from college when I was 22, to figure out what I wanted to be when I grew up, and finally I got to the point in my life where I recognized that this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to make an impact in others' lives in the way that I had in mine, and that was the right time to do it, and Rollins was the right place.
And I really appreciated the smaller classes and just that one-on-one attention from the professors. You don't really get to experience that elsewhere, especially like larger campuses. And so I was really grateful and excited to start the counseling program at Rollins.
The professors at Rollins are incredible. They are dedicated, they are wise, they are kind. You're going to school with counselors. They care about you, they're invested in you. This is a great program because of the professors.
So from day one, I felt supported. They were warm, inviting. They were so focused on not just academic excellence, but also knowing us as people and understanding us. And I think that you could really see that these professors were mental health professionals in the field with lots of experience, not someone out of touch with the industry.
In the program, I am really close with peers from my cohort, and they continue to be a huge resource for me. And also with the faculty, just that having that supportive network has helped me grow as a therapist. And I also love that we had this cohort system where I got to know this community really well that I still carry with me into my work today.
They had an option to either go full-time or part-time, and I chose the part-time track, and that really allowed me to be able to take care of things in life in addition to being able to continue my education.
I did have a full-time job during the day, so it was really helpful and convenient to have an evening class, especially when the class started at 6:45. So I was really excited for that.
Yeah, I was actually worried about making grad school fit into my life as a parent of 2 children. Faculty was really supportive of that, really supportive. I had conversations about how to make that work with some faculty in particular that I remember still really well to this day. And that the program was flexible enough for me to be able to make it work with the support of my community.
I felt very well equipped. I felt like I had a strong foundation and that I wasn't entirely lost.
Big picture, what I learned from the program, they taught me how to actually practically help people heal. You are going to work with clients and you're going to help them heal. And you're going to change. This is an extremely transformative program for the best reasons. My wife always jokes, she says that the guy that went in the program is not the one that came out for the best reasons.
It definitely has benefited me so much to have the connections that I gained here at Rollins.
Be excited, be ready to grow, because you're about to challenge yourself in ways that you didn't think would be possible.